So I've been at this laser vision correction, doing it for over 25 years now, a quarter century. The last 8 years of a lot of research and writing papers to make corneas better, to make vision better, to make vision better than human normal in people, to make vision better in patients who have had damage from disease and trauma, diseases like keratoconus and surgical issues like radiokeratotomy or past LASIK surgery. There's been a lot of obstacles and also a lot of accomplishments. And these are things to be happy about, the patients that we've helped, and to continue the progress and the march toward helping more and more of the ones we haven't been able to help. And so that's really what's been the biggest set of accomplishments, is that march of progress, that progress that allowed us to, for example, get keratoconus patients who really have an incredibly disruptive to every aspect of life disease, the vision for their career, their life, their driving, their daily activities, the enjoyment of everything from a show to TV to everything in life is impacted by very poor distorted vision. To those patients that have had it from past surgery, we can fix this. And for keratoconus patients that have this progressive disease, we can fix it that you're pretty close to normal. You get a return to vision. And that's a big accomplishment. I love that. And every time we do one of these, I still get another smile on my face. And we do this regularly for keratoconus patients, radiokeratotomy patients, the patients that have the horrible shingle scar, the patients that have the damage to their corneas from a sporting accident or something foolish we did as kids. That's a big accomplishment, to be able to change their lives and make it better. And every time we haven't over the years been able to help the way we want, well, we look for reasons why. And we try to make our systems and our procedures better. And now we're, I don't know, what am I, 15, 16 or so papers in. Another 2 are about to submit to publication. We've had 2 patents granted. I've had 2 patents granted so far from the United States Patent Office. One, how to make a uniform cornea, a topographic guided ablation, utilizing the information derived from the system to have the correct higher order aberrations and lower order aberrations to make a uniform cornea. Another one about how the epithelium can impact the ability to measure irregularities and combine that with topographic guided ablation to make a more uniform cornea, especially in those with a lot of compensation, where the epithelium is compensated a lot with a lot of corneal damage. First European patent has already been there. And then we have a series of new patents on a system designed to do all the measurements and put together the entire pattern or ablation pattern to make and perfect the ocular focusing system, whether it's for a initial procedure or for a repair procedure, to automate all of this. And those devices in that system are something we've actually submitted the patents for now. These are procedures where we can actually now detect even such things as posterior ocular astigmatism, for those people who know what that buzzword is, and treat it. But really what I like to see is the ability for us to make a massive difference. We have so much technology right now that is underutilized, that doctors out there don't know about, that the companies themselves are not promoting because of liability reasons or other reasons. They're not talking about it. They're not teaching doctors about it. And I can write the papers from here to the end of time, and it's patients themselves that have to know this exists. So on the technology side, we made great leaps. And what I'd like to see is patients find out more about this. What do we need? We need 8 to 10 repair centers around the country that fix people that have had keratoconus, that have past surgical, whether it's cataract surgery, past LASIK, past RK, to repair those. So we need repair centers around the country to do essentially what I do here. We need the ability to take the information, that the data from our systems, and create laser ablation to actually make everyone's vision better. So people understand, hey, this technology is not something to be scared of. I'm not going to go blind. I'm not going to actually lose my vision because, hey, if something bad does happen, God forbid, we can fix that, which is exactly what we do. Because all this technology has been the biggest accomplishment that I feel I've had over the past 8 years is understanding how to use this to make better vision for people who just really want to get out of their contacts or glasses, but we can make it better than that. We can make it as good as is possible for that eye. But even more importantly, we can repair, permanently fix people whose vision has been damaged by a disease through no fault of their own, through accident, through infection through no fault of their own, or by surgery that they had to have or decided to have in the past and didn't work out the way they wanted. Okay? We can fix all these things now. So we can fix the majority of corneal related issues that are out there. And that's a big accomplishment. And the next thing that I really want is to take these patents and these publications, because I think we've really come to the point where with these last round of patents and publications, we've got it. We've got the whole system. We've got everything. We know how to use it. We know how to the outcome errors are. We know how to compensate for most of these now. And even the ones we don't know how to compensate for out the gate, if they happen, we know how to fix them afterwards to take care of that small percentage of patients. We know how to make better vision in people. We know how to fix corneas. We've really come full circle. And the research has now come together, the patents are final, where we can actually make a difference, where we can make human vision better. And on top of that, we can help those patients who are really suffering from serious problems where the technology can help them and has just not been used to help them. And that is one of the most important accomplishments, is if I could get it out there and continue to get out there, that these patients have hope. And that if you want to get laser vision for your eyes, there's two messages. These patients have hope, and if you want to get correction for your eyes, it can be done. And even if you just simply want to get laser vision correction for your eyes, it's not an equivalent anymore. We can make it better. We can make the vision cleaner, better, and safer than it's ever been before. These are the true accomplishments of all the research that I've done, that we've done, that other people in my field have done as well, and the patents that we put together. And that's really where I feel like we've really accomplished something here. We're bringing this together. Now we have to bring these technologies to people's awareness, to make them aware. For the keratoconus person, there's hope. For the person who's damaged by disease, you don't have to have a corneal transplant. You can fix and keep your own cornea. This is really the message I want to get out there and make it available for more and more people to have it. However form that takes, whether it means I open up more centers, whether it means I spread the word, however it takes, whatever form it takes, I want to spread the word out there about how these technologies, these abilities, these procedures can really make a difference in people's vision and their lives. And we've accomplished a lot of the research to get there. Now it's getting the word out.